What's up, YouTube fam? Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your lawnmower. It is completely simple. I mean, it is so easy. All it is taking the cap off, draining the oil, putting new oil back in, putting the cap on, and you're good. I mean, it's that simple, but let's get to it. Alright, here's my lawnmower. It is actually a Boland's with the Briggs & Stratton motor in it, but I actually took off this head and the pull cord from a different mower and put it on my Boland's, and it works just fine. So I mean, if you didn't know that that's a little modification you can do to your lawnmower, there's one right there. But on this one, here's my oil. So of course I just want to loosen this up, and whenever you check it out, it's dirty, so it needs changed. And you always want to dispose of it you know, in the right way. So, and right here I just got SAE 30 regular motor oil, but or well, not regular motor oil, but I'll do it for my lawnmower, that's for sure. But right now I'm just going to cut this empty container in half and pour all the oil into it, so that way I can dispose of it properly. Alright, so I got my cap off. You're also going to want some shop rags. You don't want to be getting oil everywhere. Got me some shop rags. Get that old oil off of there. Set it to the side. On a rag, of course. Just empty all this oil into your container here. And really, you could take this guard off. It's like a 12 millimeter or something. That way it doesn't bend it up the opposite way. I'll get that cleaned up here in a second, but you see that old oil right there? Okay. Empty out that reservoir. Get your funnel. Get your oil. If you want to know how much oil it takes, make sure to mark, or just remember where the oil is. It's at 1 pint, so I got 1 pint left. Let's see how much this takes. Start pouring. And so you don't overflow, I would pour little by little. So right now I did about half of that bottle, so I'm gonna let that drain out. I'm gonna put this on, check it, and see where it's at level wise, and if I need more, I'll add more, and if not, I won't. Alright, so after you screwed it back on, there you go. Now if you want to check the level, just screw it off here. And so mine's not, it's only reading a tiny bit, so that means I need more, so I'm going to add a little more, but I just wanted to show y'all just for the video. After I add more, it'll be good and it'll spark right up. I'm going to add a little more real quick, and then I'm going to spark her up for y'all so you see that it works perfect. Dispose of this properly. It is clear and it is filled. It's perfect. Let's start her up. Works perfect. All right, y'all. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you with more shortly. Thank you, YouTube fam, and until next time, take care. Peace.